Hey guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete highlight on your Instagram profile. And first, you need to open Instagram application and then go to profile. And for example, I'm gonna delete one of the highlight over here, and just tap and hold on the highlight that you want to delete and click delete highlight. Okay, and here it is. That's the tutorial how to delete highlight on your Instagram profile. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.